I have worked hand in hand with a number of farmers on weed and volunteer control issues since the late 1980s. During that time, I've seen a full swing in ideas on how to work with this problem. In recent years, I've heard a number of comments that herbicides are getting more expensive and less effective on many weeds and volunteer crops, so Hawkins Ag introduced a solution.
Some of the stuff that we were looking at when we designed this is one, ease of adjustment. So something that the farmer didn't have to have a lot of tools for. He could get out, adjust it really easily, get back in, get back to work. The other thing too we looked at was maintenance. So a lot of stuff requires grease, and that's something that we wanted to get away from.
With my first-hand farm experience, I see that the CultiMax is a simple, robust design that is simple to maintain and easy to adjust in the field.
The CultiMax works with corn, soybeans, dry beans, cotton, vegetables, hemp, organic crops. Anything we do to reduce weeds and volunteer allows the planted crop to have a better chance to produce a higher yield with normally less disease and insect activity.
Even with a good weed control program with herbicides, you can still get escaped weeds, the resistant weeds that are either really hard to control or near impossible. And some of the weeds that you can control with herbicide, once they get too big, you can't kill them with the herbicide anymore. So you're able to go back with the CultiMax and eliminate those weeds.